Record. Oh, it's recording.
It's gonna rain like crazy.
Oh, so this must be... Wow.
If you want to get it inside, I'd get making the room to do it. You got about an hour or so.
Oh my gosh.
Man. Hey, where's your iPhone, Mitch?
Yeah.
Alright.
Is it just in these clouds?
Yeah.
Of course it is. Wow.
Feel the air?
Yeah, it's cold. This is not good. This is...
We don't have any coming towards.
They're probably making a tornado as it speaks.
Me and Joe were watching. No, it was.
They're probably making one.
It was getting ready to touch down in Tulsa when I was at Check Place.
Oh my God. This reminds me of Ocean City so much. But it was worse. This is worse. Ocean City wasn't this bad.
Yeah, it was coming in off the ocean when we seen it.
I think this is man-made. This is not natural. I've never seen it in my life. Oof. The frick was that?
Don't forget to get a little bit of the wax this one good before you move.
Now your voice will be on there.
Huh?
Now your voice will be on there. Now I'll put music or something. Wow.